Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoedoc Review Series, where we will explore the world of quality shoes for men. We will cover general shoe care and knowledge, review the brands you love, and introduce you to brands that you've never heard of. So get yourself ready, and let's dive right into today's unboxing video. Alright, got another unboxing video for you today. This one, Oblum. So these are hand-lasted, hand-welted shoes, hand-dyed patinas made in India. Now these did not come with like a branded box. They came in a regular cardboard box in this bag. Now, I don't know if this is the way they normally ship them or it was just shipped this way because this was kind of a collaboration review pair. These did not come in individual shoe bags. They came wrapped like this. Again, how do they normally come? I don't know 100%. Maybe they usually come like this, but maybe they come in shoe bags. Now they did come with a very nice actual horn, shoe horn. That's pretty cool. And then the shoes. We'll get these, get the bubble wrap off of them. See what we have here. Ooh, very, very nice. That is quite beautiful. All right, got these out of the bag. And quite a beautiful shoe here. So again, this is a hand-dyed patina, kind of a unique model here. So it's a single Monkstrap with a wingtip design. Notice they've got like the spade sole here, so it's got that angled sole edge on both sides. Really beautiful patina work on these. Very impressed with that. Ooh, look at that fiddleback waist on these too. That is quite beautiful as well. So this is, again, hand lasted. This is a closed channel sole, so you can't see the stitching. It's actually got a nice tapered heel as well. So it's like a stacked leather heel, but it's got this nice little taper and how it kind of lines up and flows nicely with the heel edge. I would say that this is a, not a 360-degree welt. The welting stops here, so like a 270 welt. That allows them to keep this a lot tighter. Yeah, really narrow waist, quite beautiful. Take a look at this other one here. Yeah, really impressive work on these. The only things that stand out to me that I would say are maybe slightly negative is I look at this toe cap, just the way this is fairly elongated here. There's already a crease right there in these, so that's probably where the toe reinforcement ends. And so the problem is, I can almost guarantee you when you walk in these, it's going to crease right there, which is just not the most ideal place. It would work great on a cap toe, but on a wingtip, I almost wish this was down just a little further so it wasn't creasing right in front of that wing. Not a whole lot you could do about that other than, not having this quite such an elongated last. But the leather, this feels nice. It's a good quality leather. I wouldn't say it's the highest quality leather that I've felt, but it feels nice. It feels good. The lining, again, that doesn't feel like the highest quality leather. It feels okay. The padded insole goes all the way to the toe, which I like. I kind of prefer that full insole versus the half insole. So that's good. And again, the patina work, the design, I think is all good. It's a very attractive looking shoe. And to get it hand welted and hand lasted, that's really high quality construction. The spade sole is kind of a rare find, which I think is nice too. I'm gonna put a little bit more shine on them, and then yeah, we'll wear them. I think their packaging, they need to send them with shoe trees. not shoe trees, but shoe bags, and I think they probably normally do. I'm going to be asking them a few questions and see if I can get some answers on that. And I need to find out what their retail price is going to be. They don't really have a website set up, so a few little things like that are still in the works for them, I believe. They already have a decent shine right out of the box. I'm going to take a little bit of Saphir Mirror Gloss here. Just apply some by hand. Now I'm concerned again with that crease, so I don't want to really do that mirror shine all the way up to here. I'm pretty sure it's going to crease right in that spot, and that will ruin all my shine work there. So I'm just going to go in front of that area. Alright, so let that wax sit just for a minute. Now I'm going to introduce a cloth here. They had a pretty nice wax base on them already, so it shouldn't take much time at all to really bring out that mirror finish. While I'm doing this, I'll say I noticed the stitch density on the sole is average. I mean, it's fine. It's probably about the same as what I would find on like Allen Edmonds, which is okay. Not as high stitch density as like TLB Mallorca, which has a pretty high stitch density. Now, me personally, I don't know that it matters all that much. It's a sign of quality craftsmanship, but it's not like the sole's gonna fall off, so I don't feel like it really matters that much. So I'm not getting out a ruler and measuring stitch density. I just don't care that much about it. But when you've looked at a lot of shoes, you just start to notice which ones are a little higher and which ones are a little bit lower. The stitching along the wingtip and everything, that is really good. That's pretty high stitch density there. I'd say that's better than average, and the sole stitch density is probably just average. But you can already see getting a decent shine on these. I'll pick back up in just a minute when we're finished up. Alright, so got them shined up, ready to rock here. So yeah, just after a few minutes, they shined up quite nicely, I would say. Again, you know, I would say the sole is probably one of the most impressive parts on this shoe. I really like what they did here. That fiddleback waist looks beautiful. Overall, the patina work on the top I think is quite good. It's really nice looking, almost like a museum calf. This is their rust patina. So yeah, overall pretty impressed, pretty happy with these. Waiting to see how they fit and feel. And yeah, depending on the price, I think this could be a pretty solid deal. They've got some unique bold patinas, so check them out. Website's not really up yet, it does not appear, but I'm seeing them on Instagram, and I think you can find them on Facebook as well. So hopefully you like this review of this emerging shoe brand. Like, subscribe, share it with your shoe-loving friends, and I'll see you on the next one.